Welcome to Divine African Spirituality and Science. I still remain digital priest IGBO. Please, before I continue, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, share, invite. Of course, you know this page is all about promoting African spirituality and African culture and history. Today's program we're talking about a particular powerful deity in Igbo land called Ekwensu. A lot of people have been messaging me asking about this deity. So let me clarify, people. Ekwensu, I'll try to make this video as short as possible. Ekwensu, the word Ekwensu, it's not the devil or the Christian devil. Ekwensu. Ekwensu is a particular deity in Igbo land, a deity of war, a deity of bargain. At times it's called Ezeawu. It's a wise deity, deity of wisdom. In the olden days, when you are having conflict between a community is having conflict, and you are standing on the truth side, you know that you are maybe they are having this land dispute, and you know that land is truly yours. You offer to venerate, invite Ekwensu deity, venerate them. You promise Ekwensu deity that when you win this war, you offer a ram to him, and you win the war. Most of the war we won in the olden days is a result of we used the god of war, which is Ekwensu. Ekwensu is not the devil. Ekwensu is one of the most powerful god Okike created. It's not the devil. Ekwensu bu Ezeawu. Obuo Amosu. Obuo Satan. But now, a lot of people, Ekwensu two things, Ekwensu, Holy Ghost fire, Ekwensu die, Ekwensu die, you call people Ekwensu. And you are provoking that particular deity. You are provoking it because you are accusing that deity wrongly and you are calling the deity in a wrong way. It puts you in more problem. So stop calling Ekwensu a devil, so you shouldn't get yourself into a big problem. You understand? Ekwensu is not a bad, it's not a good. Ekwensu is a god of war, god of bargain. Stop calling Ekwensu a devil. Ekwensu is not a devil. We have evil spirits, ajomumo, but Ekwensu aburu ajomumo. Ekwensu bu mmụọ eji eje ọgụ, mmụọ eji ahịa, deity used for war, business, bargain, iron smith making. So Ekwensu is not the devil. The white man convinced us that Ekwensu is the devil because they saw that that deity is too powerful. Without that, they cannot capture us. They cannot oppress us. They cannot conquer us. They have to deceive us that Ekwensu is the devil. So everybody abandoned that deity. There's some community in Igbo land that still bears Ekwensu. Ekwensu Anaku. Many communities that still have Ekwensu deity up to date. To show you Ekwensu is not the devil. So stop calling Ekwensu a devil and stop saying Ekwensu is responsible for the evil thing that you committed, because you are making your life miserable. Just like accusing someone falsely, accusing a pure holy God wrongly. Stop it to say as a result of Ajomo. Instead of saying Ekwensu, say it's a result of Ajomo, not Ekwensu. Ekwensu aburu Ajomo. Ekwensu is just like other gods, just like Udo, Ngenengu, Amadioha, just like them. All of them have each of their own purpose on earth, and which of the purpose they are created for. As just like as Odom is for fertility, as Ugu, as Ngu is for war, just like that. As Amadioha is for justice, that's how Ekwensu is for war, bargain. So stop calling Ekwensu a devil. If you have any question about this Ekwensu, comment in the comment section. Still remain digital priest IGBO. Like I said, this video will be very short. See you next time.